In today's video, I'm going to teach you building an online course platform involves using Angular for the front-end interface, Firebase for the back-end, authentication, database, and FileStack for efficient file, especially video, uploading and management. We'll build a clear path from idea to working prototype using these three tools together. Angular gives us a fast component-based interface, Firebase handles secure sign-in and a real-time database, and FileStack makes uploading and delivering large video files reliable and user-friendly. Start by scaffolding your Angular app and planning a few core pages, a course list, a course details view, and a simple dashboard where instructors can add or edit content. Keep components small and focused. Use the Angular router to navigate between pages, and reactive forms for input like course titles, descriptions, and lesson content. A tidy folder structure and shared services for data access will make your app easier to grow. Next, connect Firebase. Create a project in the Firebase console, then add the web app configuration to your Angular environment settings. Enable authentication so users can sign up and sign in. Email and password is a straightforward starting point. For your database, choose Cloud Firestore and define clear collections such as courses, lessons, and user profiles. Use Firebase's client SDK or an Angular integration library to subscribe to Firestore data so your UI updates in real time. Remember to write basic security rules that restrict reads and writes to authenticated users, and limit who can create or modify course content. Now bring in FileStack to handle media uploads. Add the FileStack JavaScript SDK to your Angular app and initialize it with your keys stored in a configuration file. Use the FileStack picker in your dashboard so instructors can upload videos and thumbnails. When an upload completes, FileStack returns a secure, CDN-hosted URL along with useful metadata. Save that URL in your Firestore documents instead of storing files directly in your database. This keeps your app fast and your storage costs predictable. You can also set acceptable file types, size limits, and use FileStack's transformations so videos stream smoothly across devices. Tie it all together by wiring your form. Submit to first upload media through FileStack, then write the course or lesson record to Firestore with the returned URLs. Protect your dashboard routes with a guard that checks Firebase authentication and read from Firestore to render your course catalog and lesson pages. Before deploying, test locally and consider using Firebase's emulators to safely validate AFS and database rules. With this stack, you get a responsive Angular UI, secure auth and data with Firebase, and reliable video handling through FileStack, all working seamlessly for an online course platform.